Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off bedside mode on the Apple Watch 8. First, let's go back to your clock face by pressing on the crown button on the side. Once you are back at the clock face, press on the crown button again to go into your app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on general. Next, scroll down and tap on bedside mode. And then in here, tap on the bedside mode toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And you can see the toggle button right there. You can switch it on or off. And then after that, you can press on the crown button to return back to your clock face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.